Not every piece of packaging makes such a spectacular exit. Millions of packages in Germany simply feel empty at some point, squeezed out and useless. The result is 2.5 million tons of packaging waste each year that ends up in the yellow bag or the yellow bin. And from there to a sorting plant. The problem is different kinds of plastic are difficult to separate from each other and from other materials. That's why most waste ends up being used for energy recovery. The empty packaging is burned for energy in conventional power plants, for example, or in the steel or cement industry. At this sorting plant in southern Hessen, the Mylo company plans to greatly increase the proportion of reusable waste, the kind that can be recycled into new products. Waste is collected from yellow bags and yellow bins in the surrounding region. The problem is, the waste contains material that doesn't belong here, like non-returnable packaging and a large amount of other household waste as well. This bottle belongs in the yellow bin. It's made of high-density polyethylene, also known as HDPE. As does this bottle made of polyethylene terephthalate, or PET. And this bottle cap made of polypropylene, or PP for short. These reusable plastics are mixed up with other materials. A homogeneous stream of material gets sorted out later in the process. First, the waste is gathered from a 300-kilometer radius that includes the states of Bavaria, Baden-Württemberg, Rhineland-Pfalz, and Hessen. 120 tons of waste are gathered each year. That equals around 5% of the waste collected in yellow bags and bins across Germany. The sorting takes place almost automatically. In a large machine hall, the flow of waste runs over a 2.5-kilometer-long conveyor belt. In the first stage, the material falls into a large rotary sieve. Here, the various packaging and other materials are sorted out according to size. Smaller pieces simply fall through the holes. The rest is transported to 2 additional drums. Finally, 5 separate streams are created containing different sized material. Separating the material by size makes further sorting procedures much easier. In a special air separator, a blast of wind blows lighter material, such as foil, out of the material stream. The air separator and other machines remove most of the foil from the material stream. That makes the hard plastic easier to sort out. The more thoroughly the plastic is sorted out, the better it can later be used to create high-quality products. In a further stage, an infrared scanner quickly scans for types of plastic. Air pressure can then shoot out the PP bottle caps, for example. Then comes the PET, and finally HDPE is sorted out of the material flow. Despite the automated sorting process, the already well-sorted material streams are then picked through by hand. The most useful plastics stay on the belt. Around 1/3 of the total initial material, however, consists of mixed plastics and residual waste that has no further use. Everything from old shoes to pieces of wood. It's all destined for energy recovery, incineration. Packaging from the yellow bin is put through more than 30 sorting procedures at the plant in Gansheim. Along with HDPE, PP, and PET waste, there are 4 other plastic fractions here. The sorted plastic is pressed into bales. The HDPE, PP, and PET bales have a purity level of 94 to 98%. This well-sorted plastic waste is a sought-after secondary raw material in the plastic processing industry. The plant in Hessen supplies companies in Germany and in neighboring countries. HDPE bottles, for example, are used to make pipes or specialized pallets. PP plugs are often turned into flower pots or buckets. And PET packaging is turned into fibers used in fleece sweaters or into stylish lawn furniture. But even if the furniture looks great and the sweater is comfortable, these products only have a limited lifespan within this kind of material recycling. Producing these products may save raw materials such as